Hello, today we will guide you through how to add or update a payment method on Whop Business account. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main starting point for accessing your account and managing your business settings. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct account before making any billing changes. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This area usually contains the main account options, and it is where you can access personal and business-related settings. If you manage more than one account, it is a good idea to double-check that you are working in the right profile before continuing. After opening the Profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage important account details. Settings is where Whop keeps options related to your account preferences, billing, and other management tools, so this is the right place to go whenever you need to make updates like this. Once you are in Settings, find and click on Payment Method. This section is specifically for viewing, adding, or updating the payment methods connected to your account. If you are updating an existing method, you may want to review the current details shown on this page so you know exactly what needs to be changed. From there, click on Add Payment Method. This option lets you enter a new payment method for your Whop Business account. In some cases, adding a new method may also allow you to replace or update the one you were previously using, depending on how your account is set up. After selecting that option, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Whop will guide you through the required fields and actions needed to complete the setup. Enter the requested payment information carefully and review everything before submitting to help avoid errors. If the platform asks for verification, complete that step as prompted so the payment method can be added successfully. Once you finish the on-screen process, your new or updated payment method should be saved to your account. It can be helpful to stay on the page for a moment and confirm that the updated method appears correctly in your billing section. That's it. You've now learned how to add or update a payment method on a Whop Business account.